Now we come to the words allow, permit or let. All three are verbs and all three have the same meaning. They mean to give permission or to enable someone to have or do something. The distinction between them lies in the context in which the words are used, and the context is formality. Permit has a greater formality than allow, and allow has a greater formality than let. Let's dive in. Permit is more formal, allow is formal, and let is less formal. For example, the board of directors have consented to permit video conferencing in the upcoming meeting. During the show, the organizers will allow 3 commercial breaks. Let us perform this task. So the examples are pretty simple. After this, the second slide is permit and allow are generally followed by a direct object plus to-infinitive. The university will permit him to attend class only if he earns a passing grade in the exam. So him is a direct object, to attend is the infinitive. We see him as a direct object, allow is followed by him, which is a direct object, and him is followed with the to infinitive, which is to drive. Now the third slide is let is generally followed by an infinitive without the to. Here the infinitive is without the to. Commonly the structure is to plus infinitive. However, in the case of let, to is not present, and so let is followed only by the infinitive without the to. For example, let the boy ride the bicycle. Let the boy ride the bicycle. Do not let strangers in the house. So in the first example, we see let is not followed by to. It's let the boy. So let is followed by an infinitive, and there is no to. Similarly, do not let strangers in the house. Let strangers. So here also to is absent. Now the fourth slide is permit and allow are usually used in the passive voice. However, let is usually not used in the passive voice. The example is a calculator is not permitted in the exam. A calculator is not allowed in the exam. So permitted and allowed are interchangeable, but we do not say a calculator is not let in the exam. But if we have to use let in a passive voice, then we may say let a calculator be used in the exam. When we say let a calculator be used in the exam, it's an imperative sentence. So here the imperative sentence is used in the passive voice. The active voice of this sentence would be use a calculator in the exam. Generally, when let is to be used in the passive form, then the structure is let plus object plus be plus past participle. To make it simple, you can replace the word let with allowed or permitted. Words are always used in a context, hence the context is very important. While using the words permit, allow and let, remember the context of formality. Permit is more formal, allow is formal, and let is less formal. I hope now your understanding has gained some clarity. With practice, it will become more clearer. Thank you.